Awolatoka. Oh, once upon a time, long time ago, in one village, there were a lot of beasts. Now, the beasts had eaten almost the population of children on that village. However, there was one lady who had her daughter called Nsangi, and this lady built a big cave where she always hid Nsangi, and she could always come around to only bring food. And after bringing food to Nsangi, then Nsangi would lock the cave. So this went on for a long time. Mama Nsangi would always bring food to her daughter, and as soon as she reached the cave door, she would sing. Nsangi, 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 Nsangi mwana wange, loli mere bere, lwendigenda nawe, Nsangi gula onkwe mere. It's basically saying, Nsangi, 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 my child. When you like grown up, we would walk together. We will walk together. Open the door, and I give you food. So this is how Nsangi's mother used to sing to Nsangi, for Nsangi to know that it was actually her mother who was outside the door, so that she could open the door for her to receive food. Now, meanwhile she was doing this, also the beasts in that village knew there was a hidden girl in the cave, and they always came up with ideas. They always brought ideas within themselves how to come up with a proper idea to get Nsangi out of this cave, and they ate her. But of course, many attempts were made and they all failed. However, one day, the beasts gathered around and said, I think we should go to a witch doctor. Witch doctor, this is someone who has like black magic, and they could tell you something, they could read your fortune, they could give you like local herbs, and whatever they tell you that will happen, sometimes it does happen. So the beasts, one by one, went to a witch doctor and told the witch doctor, look, we want to eat Nsangi. Please give us some herb that will help us to persuade Nsangi to open the door, and we eat her. Of course, many beasts went. And one beast that went, they told it never to eat any housefly on the way while going to the cave. But when the beast was walking on the way from the witch doctor, he saw a lot of houseflies passing by him, his face, ears. Of course, he couldn't stand it. He ate the houseflies. And when he reached the cave door, he started singing. Nsangi, 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 Nsangi mwana wange, loli mere bere, lwendigenda nawe, Nsangi gula onkwe mere. Of course, the voice was not her mom's, so she couldn't open the door. She had known and mastered her mom's voice, and this voice for this guy, the beast, was different, was distinctive. So Nsangi didn't open the cave door. Many beasts tried to go to the witch doctor and come and sing to the cave, Nsangi to open, but all failed. But one day, there was this beast that went to a witch doctor and got the right advice from the witch doctor and the medicine from the witch doctor, and it went straight to the cave door. Didn't eat any housefly. And when it reached there, it started singing like how Mama Nsangi sang. Nsangi, 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 Nsangi mwana wange, loli mere bere, lwendigenda nawe, Nsangi gula onkwe mere. Nsangi thought it was her mom singing. So Nsangi opened the cave door, and the beast ate Nsangi. Now, after the beast ate Nsangi, it ran away. Mommy Nsangi came back to bring food for her daughter and sang to the cave. Nsangi, 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 Nsangi mwana wange, loli mere bere, lwendigenda nawe, Nsangi gula onkwe mere. But no one answered the door. No one opened. She sang and sang and sang. No one opened the door. So she was wondering what had happened to her daughter Nsangi. But after singing a lot of times and no one was opening the door, she decided to break in. And when she broke in, she realized actually Nsangi wasn't in. Someone had eaten Nsangi. So what she did was she gathered all the beasts in that village and told every beast to make a line, a long line. And she asked one by one, Yegoli Nsangi, are you the one who ate Nsangi? And the beast was like, Neda. No, it's not me. Sembuto mbute mabega yalidde Nsangi. Bwefukumula olubuto nga timuli Nsangi. Bwefukufuka olubuto nga timuli Nsangi. Basically, the beast was saying, I'm not the one who ate Nsangi. The big guy behind me with the big belly is the one who is eating Nsangi. Even when I turn my stomach, there's no Nsangi. And then it turns the stomach and there's no Nsangi. Mami Nsangi went to the second beast. And you go to Nsangi. Neda. Sembuto mbute mabega yalidde Nsangi. Bwefukumula olubuto nga timuli Nsangi. Bwefukufuka olubuto timuli Nsangi. So, Mami Nsangi went to each beast asking who had eaten Nsangi. Finally, she reached at the back of the line where this big beast with a big belly was. And she asked this big beast, who ate Nsangi? Are you the one who ate Nsangi? And the beast couldn't even sing properly because it was the one that had eaten Nsangi. And the beast was like, Neda. Sembuto mbute mabega yalidde Nsangi. Bwefukumula olubuto nga timuli Nsangi. Bwefukufuku. Of course, the beast had eaten Nsangi. So Mami Nsangi cut the beast's belly and rescued Nsangi. So, as we say in Uganda, Nanga wenalabira. And that's what I saw all those years ago when Mama Nsangi rescued Nsangi from the belly of a big beast.